Are you looking for the best steam cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best steam cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Steamfast Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. Thanks to its trigger-operated system and lock button, the Steamfast SF375 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner offers exceptional steam control, something that a lot of other models lack. There's a dial for adjusting the unit's steam levels according to the surface and the mess you're dealing with, and there's a handy button to lock your setting once you've got the perfect amount of steam going. This low-noise machine is lightweight and has wheels to move it around from room to room. It comes with 18 attachments and, as per our testing, takes just under 15 minutes to fully heat up. Its large-capacity water tank allows for up to 90 minutes of continuous use, the handle is comfortable to hold, and filling the tank is uncomplicated with the included measuring cup and funnel. There's no exterior water level, but the water tank is clear so you can easily monitor it. Attachment changes are safe and fairly trouble-free, and the machine can convert to a mop for cleaning floors with the large mop head attachment and microfiber pads. You can also clean windows with the squeegee. We love the 10-foot hose and 17-foot power cord, which gave us plenty of slack and no need for an extension cable. There's also a cord caddy for tidy storage. For its higher price tag, we were slightly underwhelmed with its performance on grout, which required multiple passes to clean thoroughly, but it cleaned other surfaces wonderfully. Moving on at number 4, we have the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Looking for a good steam mop to safely clean various floor types? We recommend the lightweight, efficient, and budget-friendly PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1, which offers an excellent blend of convenience and performance. This machine has a clearly visible water tank, and although the description says it takes up to 30 seconds to heat up, we found it ready to go in just 9. This steam cleaner made us proud when it came to hard stains, particularly the mud masks on tiles that it cleaned in a couple of passes. Its powerful steam output, along with the included microfiber pad attachment for glass cleaning, got our windows and glass surfaces sparkling. The steam was able to push through the pad to steam the glass, while the microfiber absorbed the liquid. The squeegee attachment then did a stellar job of wiping down the excess water. It converts from mop to cleaner easily, but its design made it somewhat awkward and uncomfortable to hold. Almost like the handle was in my way. We also would have preferred a trigger instead of having to turn it off every time we needed to put it down. We found that the attachments weren't as simple to swap out as with some other models, but we did appreciate its stable base that prevents it from tipping over. Overall, the PurSteam offers good value for its performance and features versus price. At number 3, we have the Wagner Spraytech On-Demand Steam Cleaner. If the grout in your bathroom or kitchen has seen better days, we recommend the Wagner Spraytech On-Demand Steam Cleaner. It offers a powerful steam output, user-friendly features, and versatility. Its 18 attachments include a jet nozzle and nylon and brass utility brushes that effectively lifted dirt and grime from tile surfaces, restoring grout lines to their original condition. Other attachments include a large cleaning brush that can be used with the microfiber mop pad to clean and disinfect floors. The squeegee head was great for glass panels, and the jet nozzle cleaned out windowsill grooves. It also comes with a microfiber bonnet for steam cleaning fabric. There's a slight learning curve when it comes to these attachments, but once you get the hang of it, they pop on and off via the simple connector button on the extension handle. Indicator lights let you know when it's on and ready to use. This unit has a large water tank with a screw-on cap for easy refilling, but there's no fill indicator. The steamer produces a notable white noise hiss, but we could still talk over it without shouting. The short cord does limit movement, but you can always add an extension cord. The hose is a little flimsy and would kink if we didn't make sure to keep it untwisted. But otherwise we had no trouble moving this steamer around and using it either standing or kneeling. At number 2, we have the McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. With its convenient 9-inch squeegee, the McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner is our top choice for cleaning glass and makes particularly quick work of washing windows. We cleaned a dirty panel of stained glass in less than a minute with just one pass. But the perks don't end there. For starters, it comes with 23 different attachments and has variable steam control for cleaning almost any surface you can think of using the correct amount of pressure. During testing, it effortlessly lifted dirt, grime, and stains, and it effectively loosened dirt. This made it easy to wipe surfaces clean without having to scrub excessively or make much of an effort. Switching between attachments was smooth sailing. The nozzle and attachments feature a clever octagon pattern to slot them into place. And there's an extra large water tank that can last for up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning. There's also a 4-bar pressure indicator to let you know how hot and powerful the steam will be, plus a readiness indicator light. The large mop head attachment swiftly cleans sealed flooring, and the utility brushes are great for grout, grills, outdoor furniture, and a whole lot more. We love the top fill design and included cup, which made refills a cinch. While the water hole is small, it has an area to allow for spillage, preventing excess water from dripping down the machine. We appreciate the quiet operation as well, as we were able to easily hold a normal conversation without having to shout. The attachments do heat up during use but remain comfortably warm to the touch. Note that this suitcase-sized cleaner is a little on the bulky side. It's designed to be wheeled to your preferred location then stood upright, but this does make it prone to tipping over. And finally at number 1, we have the McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch Steam Cleaner is a lightweight yet heavy-duty machine that comes equipped with several attachments, including extension wands, a mop head, and several different brushes. There's also a steam jet nozzle and a measuring cup and funnel that makes it easy to fill. Its water capacity of 48 ounces provides enough steam for extended cleaning sessions. Despite its large capacity, we still found the cleaner to be portable, even when filled with water. During testing, this unit effectively cleaned various messes with ease. Changing attachments was a breeze due to its user-friendly push-down button mechanism. All attachments slid on and off effortlessly. Its plastic components stayed comfortably cool during operation, but wearing gloves is advised. The noise is minimal, and there's a convenient warming indicator light that turns off when the cleaner is ready to use. It's worth noting that the unit does take longer to heat up than the manual claims. While the manufacturer says it takes 2 to 8 minutes, it took 12 to 15 minutes in our testing. There's no external water level indicator on this model, so you need to carefully measure the water before adding it so as not to inadvertently overfill the tank. While useful, the locking button for continuous steam proved somewhat challenging to use, but this did not significantly detract from the overall cleaning experience. At around $150, this model is simple to use and an excellent value for money. Its comfortable handle also serves as storage for all the attachments. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.